What is happening, AI? I've had this thought bugging me for a big part of this year. The problem is there are too many AI industry news being released on a daily basis. This is why I simply had to, as a step to battle my anxiety and fear of missing out, to build this tool that collects and filters AI industry news that are relevant for me personally and my business. The tool collects AI-related content and I can communicate with this content in various ways. For example, I can choose a predefined prompt and get an overview of the latest AI news that are relevant to me. Or I can continue the conversation in a simple question-answering chat interface. For example, I want to know more about this news. And I ask the tool, tell me more about, and the magic happens. We can get a very brief overview of the relevant content, but then we can ask the questions about the news stories we are mostly interested in. We can do the same for opinions in the AI space and practical content. Under the hood of this tool, which I call IBA Breath, I use the following technology: Python, OpenAI API, Whisper API, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, LangChain and LangSmith to monitor the performance of my app, Pinecone vector database to store long-term memory of my app, Zap and PostgreSQL to store chat history, and Flask for the UI of my app. To be able to get meaningful and stable results from my app, I use a mix of prompt engineering techniques, from basic ones like few-shot prompts to more advanced like self-consistency. I develop on my computer, but to be able to easily deploy on hosting, I use GitHub and Docker. I also used Midjourney to create an avatar for IBA. And this is the power of generative AI. With ready-made Lego bricks, you can build apps that have mind-blowing potential to boost your and your team's productivity.